Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. If the people really set their minds on anything, it is impossible to prevent their getting what they want. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. The short successes that can be gained in a brief time and without difficulty are not worth much. Greatest thing in life is experience. Even mistakes have value. An imitation may be quite successful in its own way, but imitation can never be success. Success is a first-hand creation. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it.